Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm just being Patty, and if you've never been here before, stay a while, and you'll see that I'm making some curry chicken, red beans and rice, and cabbage. So, I can't say it's any specific island of curry chicken because I learned how to cook curry chicken from my mom, and she's from the United States. And then I took tips from my Jamaican friends and also my Trinidadian friends. So it's basically my rendition of it. And excuse my looks, honey, because I'm just cooking today. Anyway, please consider subscribing and also giving this video a thumbs up and putting something in the comment section. But as far as the comment section, honey, don't come for me. If you from this island or that island, do not come for me, because I'm making it my way. And also, even in the islands, different people make it different ways. So anyway, sit back, enjoy, and try my recipe, which I said is a combination of different islands. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing well today. Right here I have 4 chicken thighs and 6 chicken legs, and I'm going to start seasoning it. I'm going to show you the seasonings as I go. First, I'm going to put some salt, I have this pink sea salt. Then I'm going to use some ground black pepper. Next, I'm going to put a little garlic powder. Now, I'm going to use garlic powder and chopped garlic as well. But I'm using the garlic from the jar because I don't feel like chopping it. Next, I'm going to just use a little ground cumin. Now I have some roasted garlic and herbs. I'm going to use just a little bit of that. I have some Goya con culantro y accioli. I'm going to use the whole packet. 1 whole packet. Next, I'm going to pour some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, over that. And I have here the jar of garlic, chopped garlic. I'm using about 1 tablespoon of the chopped garlic. Here I have some chopped cilantro, chopped green peppers, I have some chopped scallion, and I have some sparsely chopped regular white onions. I also have some thyme, fresh thyme. I'm going to cut them in half lengthwise. So now I'm just going to put all of these chopped veggies into the pot. For the thyme, I'm going to pull some of the thyme leaves off, and then I'm going to put some whole ones in there too. I generally use gloves to mix my stuff up, but I'm at someone else's house and I don't have the gloves I use, so I wash my hands very well and I'm just going to mix it all together. Now I'm just going to wash my hands and I'm going to put this on the stove and let it saute. Okay, so here while sauteing, I have some curry powder and I have some Goya coconut milk. You can use any kind of coconut milk. In that store here, they consider coconut milk an international item, so they charge me $2.50 for this. My daughter found a can in Walmart for less money. I don't remember how much, but it was cheaper. But I'll just use this since I bought it. I'm just going to shake the can. I'm going to pour half of that can into this bowl. I'm going to use the other half of the can for my rice and beans. I'm going to take the curry and I'm going to mix it into the coconut milk. You can do it to taste depending on how strong you want your curry. But I like mine pretty strong, so I'm probably going to put about 3 tablespoons. And stir it into the coconut milk. Also, I have 2 potatoes soaking in some ice water, and after about, I would say 45 minutes, I'm going to cut them up and add them to my curry chicken. This is what it's looking like while it's sauteing. Doesn't that look good? It's not even cooked and it looks good. Yeah, I have my vent fan on. So now we're going to just stir this curry and coconut in. I'm holding the camera in my hand. And I'm going to put the top on and I'm going to turn it down so it can simmer. I'm going to likely simmer it for about 90 minutes. So now that the chicken has cooked down some, I was really trying to saute it, but the chicken let off too much more water than I would have preferred. Now we're going to put the curry and coconut in it. Now I'm going to let it cook down in all the curry. Let it simmer for about another hour. And then it'll be done. And then I'm going to do the rice and beans. I would have put that pepper in there, but those peppers in the two peppers that I put in the curry chicken was very spicy, so I felt like that was enough spice for one meal. But you could put a Scotch bonnet pepper or a habanero pepper in your rice and in your curry chicken, whatever you prefer. So I'm just going to stir once more. Lower the heat and let it rip. So I'm going to cook that for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so here's the plate. The curry chicken, the rice, and the cabbage. And I was going to fry some plantains, but I got a little tired. I started doing other things. It's late at night, so I'm just going to eat this little bit. And then I'm going to go to bed. Thank you all for watching, and make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe, please. And don't forget to let me know what you think about my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.